What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got 3 of the most unique watch faces you will find in the Gear Manager store, but this one in particular takes the cake. Now, the name of the developer that created this one goes by the name of Mike Gallery. She definitely always gets down on creating some of the most unique premium watch faces that you'll find in the Gear Manager store. Now, again, the watch face is called Anchor. In the AOD mode, it's going to look super slick. I like the unique look of this watch face, even in the always on mode. But when the watch face is on, this screams unique through and through. I like the design. I like how she steps so far outside of the box to give you something premium and different. Now, it is an animated watch face. As you can see, you got parts moving here. You got an anchor that's animated right there. You got your own second hand right here going around there. And here, I like the way that is placed outside of your second dial. That looks nice. And this, you cannot customize at all. You can't change the color, but you don't need to with the background that she gives you to go along with it. Now, right here is going to be your battery percentage. I like the way that looks. The whole design of this watch face is off the chart. And then over here, people, you get your date. So you pretty much get what you need for a timepiece that you're going to wear from day to day, and especially if you're going out and you're off for the weekend, this is a nice timepiece to have on your wrist, people. But let's check out the look of the background. Now, if I double tap, I can change the color of it. That's black. The color that was before was a brownish type of color. This blue looks nice. And this is your daytime watch face, people. You know how I feel about a white watch face. And this one is the red. I'm telling you, the developer really got down on this watch face. I thought she did an awesome job, worth the 5 thumbs up. But at the end of the day, people, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this particular watch face. How many thumbs up will you give this one? Watch face number 2. Now, if you like a unique watch face, you're gonna love this one. It's called Spring King, and I thought she went over the top with this one so far, the uniqueness and the design. And yes, this is an animated watch face for the most part with a good look. In the AOD mode, it looks just as nice. I like the look of this watch face and being able to tell the time in a unique way. But when the watch face is on, let's take a look at what we get. Now, you get a nice second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and it's green, right? You got animation going on here at the top. You got a steam pump animation going on down at the bottom. You got seconds over here. Your battery percentage over there. You get your month, AM stamp. Also, you get your day. And you also get your date right here. Now, this indicator is going to let you know how many notifications you got when you get your notification in, right? Now, down at the bottom, you get a digital time. You get an analog clock in the middle. I'm loving the look of that analog clock, people. And yes, so that means you get the best of both worlds. And also, if I tap here, I can change it to where it's going to say 24 hours. So I believe the digital time is 24 hours. Not a bad look at all, but you do get a nice analog clock. Now, check out the customization of this one. Now, she offers quite a bit. If I double tap, I could change the theme look of this watch face. That one looks super awesome. We're going to cycle through all of them because she gives you a lot of different colors to change to. And the theme changes just a little bit more as we go through. We're going to go through them all just to give you an idea as to what you're going to be in for when you download this super awesome watch face. See that one? I love it. I thought she really did an excellent job with the creativity of the themes on this watch face as well. Okay, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Hit me in the comment section down below because I would love to know your thoughts on this one and how many thumbs up will you give it. All right, you all, let's check out the last but not least watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is different from the other 2, but yet nice. Now, the name of the watch face is called Futura 2. In the AOD mode, I'm loving this look. It wasn't what I was expecting considering what I'm looking at when the watch face is on. Very different, but yet nice. Now, when the watch face is on, you get tons and tons of information. Very unique way to tell time. You're going to get the best of both worlds with this. You're going to get a nice analog and a digital. So up at the top, you're going to get a compass. It's telling you about the wind. You're going to get the humidity here, battery percentage, step percentage. Also, you get your digital time down at the bottom, which means you get the best of both worlds. You get the weather as well. Days of the week down at the bottom, along with your months on top of it. And for your date, that's what's going around the bezel of the watch, 1 through 31. It's going to let you know exactly where you are within your time to let you know what the date is. So I thought this was a good look, a very unique look, and you can customize the theme of this watch face to a degree. Check it out. Now I'm gonna cycle through a few just to give you an idea of what you're gonna be in for. I like that color when you download this watch face. The colors are different. They change up as you go through them. I like that last one. And yeah, it's not a bad look at all. Gives you everything that you can need. And here you see the animation going on in there as well. Now depending on the watch face or the colors will depend on how well you see those as well. Not a bad look. I like this look most of all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of all three watch faces. And please continue to enjoy your fun day Sunday. And I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.